There are two traits that, in my opinion, are what is needed for a singer or a speaker to stand out, to make a bigger impact on their listeners. And these are two of the most difficult traits to achieve for any human being. But for the singer or the speaker, they are essential. And those two traits are honesty and vulnerability. These are very difficult because we live in a world that does not foster an environment that embraces honesty and vulnerability. Sometimes we encourage fake vulnerability, but really, true vulnerability and true honesty are traits that any human being on a spiritual path or a self-improvement type of path is always trying to achieve. And it's very difficult. But if you think about it, think about your favorite singers. The reason why they're so good is because they're able to express all kinds of emotions through song. Most people are too scared to sing, period. But if you are comfortable singing in front of people, the next step is to bare your soul to the audience. The same is true for speakers. Speakers who make the biggest impact are the ones who are comfortable being themselves and sharing their honest opinions. We're at a point in time now where most of us are aware when people are lying and being manipulative. When I was growing up, I used to watch adults on TV as well as at school, in my church, anywhere where adults were. I saw liars. I saw manipulations. I saw authority figures saying whatever they needed to say to get the kids in line. And I was one of those people who saw through it, couldn't do anything about it, but I was aware. And now I live in this world where those liars still exist. Those manipulators still exist. And a lot of them still have a lot of power. But the truth is, we live in a world now where a lot of people are in tune and they can see through lies and manipulation. That's why this is a moment that is perfect for the person who is comfortable being themselves, who is comfortable with honesty, and who is comfortable with vulnerability. There's a reason why Brene Brown became so popular not that long ago with her TED Talk on vulnerability, because the world was hungry for this permission slip to just be real. So, if you're watching this, if you're on my channel, it means that you are somebody who cares about making your voice heard. You want to be somebody that people listen to. You want to be a singer with a voice that people want to hear. And in a video I made last week, I talked about how you don't have to have a perfectly smooth and flawless voice in order to sound good. In fact, so many people who have become famous and much loved singers have what we would consider damaged voices. They have scratchy voices. Their voices are not perfect. But you know what they have? They have authenticity. They are vulnerable with their emotions. They're honest. They're honest about who they are. That is what people are hungry for whenever it comes to a leader of any kind. Anybody who uses their voice, the only way to be truly successful is to be yourself and to be honest. And what do I mean by that? What do I mean by honesty? Here's what I do not mean. I do not mean that when your sister comes into your room and says, "Hey, how does this outfit look on me?" And you go, "It looks like garbage." I don't mean that kind of honesty. I don't mean cruelty. I mean compassionate honesty. So, okay, maybe you don't like her outfit. So maybe you say something gently like, I really like it when you wear black as opposed to whatever color it is she's wearing. Or, I really think you'd look awesome in that dress you wore to whatever event. There are nice ways to be real. You don't have to be mean. I think sometimes people use this idea of honesty and authenticity as an excuse to be cruel. And that's not what I'm talking about. To me, a person who is well received as a speaker or a singer because of their honesty and their vulnerability also they also have integrity. So, a successful singer or speaker must be honest, vulnerable, and have integrity. So, here's what you need to do. You don't need to be running around giving your opinion to anybody, whether they asked you for it or not. You don't even have to answer every single question that people ask you. You don't owe anybody an explanation or an opinion. You don't have to tell people anything. But if you want to be a good speaker or a good singer or a good leader, what you need to do is you need to become honest with yourself. Honesty begins within. So, starting right now, if your goal is to improve your voice or reclaim your voice, make a promise to yourself that you're going to be honest with yourself. That means that even if you're in an environment where it's not really appropriate or safe for you to voice your opinion, internally, at least you know the truth. At least you tell yourself the truth. At least internally, you acknowledge your opinion. Maybe in order to keep the peace, you fib a little. Okay. It's not a big deal because in order to get through a certain situation, you have to do that. But internally, you know the truth. You're not lying to yourself. So here's your journal prompt for today. I want you to think about 3 unpopular opinions that you have. And that could be anything, really. But 3 ideas that you carry in your mind that you're not really free to talk about out loud. And maybe you never will be. Maybe you're in a situation where you never will be allowed to speak those opinions. But I want you to at least get honest with yourself. At least let yourself have the opinion. Let's start there and see what happens after a week of being totally honest with yourself. See what happens to your voice. In my experience, once I decided to stop lying to myself and be as honest and authentic with people as I possibly could, my voice started changing for the better. So I want you to give it a shot and see what happens. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to download my free guide on healing trauma through the voice, the body, and nutrition. And sign up for my waitlist for my membership community, which is launching very soon. We're going to have so many opportunities to practice together. It's going to be great for those of you who are really serious about improving your voice and healing all the things that are blocking you from shining. Remember to keep going because the world definitely needs your unique voice. I'll see you in the next one.